Guys, welcome back to the channel. Trying to set up the light. Someone commented on my video that the light always focus on me, and it's really true. God bless her for that. Seriously, I don't want to set my light. That's why I can't wait to go. And my brother is a director. Oh God. I wanted to show you guys that I went ahead and add some calls and some accessories. I loved it. Like,
this love affair began.